Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to take on your first solo travel experience but feeling a bit nervous? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm here to share some insider tips and tricks to help you embark on your solo adventure with confidence. Let's dive right in. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and adventure. Step 1. Researching your destination. Before embarking on your solo travel adventure, let us take an example destination as Paris, France. It's crucial to conduct thorough research to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Start by familiarizing yourself with the safety guidelines and visa requirements of the country you'll be visiting. Understanding these essential details will help you navigate any potential challenges and ensure a stress-free journey. Additionally, look for budget-friendly accommodation options and transportation methods within Paris. Whether you prefer cozy hostels, boutique hotels, or Airbnb rentals, there are plenty of choices to suit every budget. Researching these aspects in advance will help you plan your solo trip efficiently. Step 2. Packing smart and light. Packing for your solo travel adventure is a crucial step in ensuring a hassle-free and enjoyable trip. Start by creating a packing list that includes essential items, such as your passport, travel insurance documents, comfortable shoes for exploring, and weather-appropriate clothing. These essentials will help you navigate your destination with ease and peace of mind. When it comes to packing your belongings, opt for versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. To avoid the common pitfall of overpacking, stick to the basics and resist the temptation to bring unnecessary items along. Remember, less is often more when it comes to packing for a successful solo trip. Step 3. Navigating solo travel challenges. While solo travel can be incredibly rewarding, it's essential to be prepared for potential challenges along the way. One of the key aspects of navigating solo travel is staying alert and aware of your surroundings, particularly in crowded tourist areas, where pickpocketing and scams may occur. Trust your instincts and have confidence in asking for help or directions if needed. Don't hesitate to seek assistance from locals or authorities if you find yourself in unfamiliar or uncomfortable situations. Your safety and well-being should always be a top priority. To enhance your solo travel experience, consider connecting with other travelers or locals through social media platforms. Building connections with like-minded individuals can provide added safety insights into your destination. Remember, you're never truly alone when you're part of the global community of travelers. Step 4. Immersing yourself in local experiences. One of the aspects of solo travel is the opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and experiences of your destination. Be sure to try the local cuisine at authentic restaurants like Café de Flore in Paris. Consider taking a French cooking class to learn the art of French cuisine, or embark on a scenic Seine River cruise to admire the beauty of Paris from a different perspective. To deepen your connection with the local community, engage with locals by learning basic phrases in French and respecting local customs. By showing genuine interest and respect for the culture, you'll create meaningful connections and unforgettable memories during your solo travel adventure. Step 5. Documenting your journey. Documenting your solo travel journey is a wonderful way to preserve memories and share your experiences with others. Let your journey inspire others to embark on their solo travel adventures and create lasting memories along the way. Step 6. Staying safe and healthy. Having essential documents such as travel insurance, emergency contacts on hand can be invaluable in case of any unforeseen circumstances during your journey. Maintaining your health and well-being is equally important while traveling solo. Stay hydrated, get enough rest, and prioritize self-care to keep your energy levels up and your immune system strong. Before you depart, research local healthcare facilities and emergency numbers at your destination. Being aware of these resources can provide peace of mind and ensure that you are prepared for any health-related issues that may arise during your solo journey. By taking proactive steps to stay safe and healthy, you can fully embrace the adventure of solo travel with confidence and peace of mind. As we wrap up, solo travel is not just about exploring new places. It's about empowering yourself and fostering personal growth. Embrace the journey and all the lessons it brings. And finally, here's your call to action. Take that first step towards solo travel. Share your upcoming adventures in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Your next solo adventure awaits. Bon voyage!